everyone, Lydia Sarson, Executive Director of Healthy Foods for Healthy Kids here.
And Jen Cipolla, Program Manager of Healthy Foods for Healthy Kids here.
Guess what else is here? Do More 24! We are so excited to participate in this year's Do More 24, and we have so many people to thank because we could not do this without all of our funders, donors, and supporters.
Please support us so that all children can grow with our program.
All right, so Do More 24 is organized by Spur Impact and supported by United Way. Thank you all so much for organizing this. We also would like to thank the Longwood Foundation,
Delaware Community Foundation,
FMC,
Adesys,
the Pappas family in memory of Nicholas Pappas,
CW Wealth Management Group of USB,
Nemours,
Dana,
the Laird and Connolly Group at Morgan Stanley,
Pappas Land Care and Construction,
BJS Nursery,
Navient Community Fund,
the Eliason Education and Greening Fund,
USDA and the Specialty Crop Block Grant Program,
Sprouts Healthy Communities Foundation,
the Carl Freeman Foundation,
and all of our incredible board members. And
most
importantly, all of you. Thank you so much. Please follow the link below and please donate today to help us #Vegucate the first state.
Do More 24.